The unlimited secret of getting paid to listen to music. What do you think if you can get paid $15 by listening to music? Let's watch and learn.
The ultimate secret of getting paid to listen to music. What do you think? If you can get paid $15 by listening to music, consider putting on a pair of headphones and listening to music while earning $15. This is very serious. Every song you listen to, they pay you $15. Imagine waking up in the morning, listening to music, and getting paid. Consider how many songs you can listen to every single day. Currently, within the last 5 to 10 years, you've made no money. This website has changed the way you listen to music. Maybe you've seen this site before, maybe not. However, many people do this incorrectly. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube of people demonstrating this site. Many people are initially rejected. You know, it isn't working because they aren't paying attention. I'm not going to give you the private details so fast.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.
So, stay with me until the end. By the way, imagine giving it up your job because you're making a lot of money. If you wish to listen to 20 songs per day, this is the way to go. They will continue to pay you endlessly. It is obviously up to you. They have been around for a while. Here, it's usually for artists, and what happens is, you might think and ask me, why would someone pay me to do this? When I'm just a regular guy. I'm just a regular girl, right? Artists from all over the world. They need your reviews and feedback to improve their skills. That is why they pay you to tell them what you like or dislike about their songs. Let's go look at it together. Go to the playlist push, then you see on the top of the page that there is a music promotion. We don't need to work with that. The second option is creating sign up. There are two options. You have playlist thing creators with Spotify or the TikTok creator. We start with the first. When you click on Spotify playlist creator, you jump on this page. When you click on become a creator you can go to this page. You need to put your name, your email address, and where you live. Then, you need to put your phone number here, and then also you need to have an account with Spotify which is completely free. Then click on continue. The second option creators sign up. As a TikTok creator. When you have a TikTok account, you just need to click to apply here and then you can see this page. They want to make sure with you see if you have a TikTok account first. You will directly go to this page. You need to tell them, how many followers do you have on TikTok? How many views does each of your videos get? Click on the next step. You need to fill out this form. Put your name, email address, where you live, date of your birth, and your TikTok link, and also it's optional to give them your Instagram link as well. And now when you fill out forms, how it works. Applications are reviewed by their teams for approval. And then they send you songs to review based on your playlist. And also finally get paid and grow your list. That's how it works. I hope that was helpful.
By the way, if you want to learn how to make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.